So I have this little toy revolver here, which is broken unfortunately. But anyway, it still looks fine, so I keep it. And I always wondered how this mechanism for rotating the cylinder works. So to explore that a little bit, I have built this little device here. Which works essentially in the same manner with a rotating cylinder, and by pushing on this button here, or I guess you could call it a trigger, it rotates the cylinder by exactly one position. So let me open this up real quick and we have a look at the insides. So here it is. It's essentially made out of 3 groups of pieces. The main cylinder, of course, with these ratchet teeth. My model is on the teeth are on the side of the cylinder, whereas in an actual revolver they are often on the back. But it's the same principle, so, and it's better or easier to see this way. So I made it this way. Then second, this lever here with a flat spring, which completes essentially the ratchet mechanism and prevents it from rotating backwards, of course. And third, this trigger mechanism here, which is made out of 3 parts. This flat spring, this lower part here, which is pivoting on this point, and the upper part with a spring which pushes it back once you've rotated it by one position further, so like this. And this lower part on the pivoting point is needed because this of course is part of a circular motion and not a linear one, so it needs to be able to follow the circular motion. And also this flat spring is required because without it would quickly lose contact to this circular surface or circular motion essentially, and become useless. So that's why this flat spring is here. I guess you could also solve this with just one piece which is pivoting around some point in this motion, so then you would not need this separation here. But anyway, the principle is the same. You need to be able to follow this circular motion, and I solved it like this. This is all 3D printed parts and works really well actually. If you enjoyed this little mechanical exploration, please let me know. I certainly did, and thanks for watching.